Thrive Market, let me show you what I got. Thrive Market's my secret weapon for saving money on healthy staples. They're like a cross between Costco and Whole Foods. So some of these products I can find locally, but they're a better price from Thrive Market. Some things I can't find locally, and the only place I can get them is Thrive Market. So these individual packages of Simple Mills Farmhouse cheddar crackers, my husband and I fight over these, and you can get the big boxes at the regular grocery store, but I can't find the individual ones. Bought a ton of these Kettle and Fire beef and chicken bone broths. These are my favorites when I'm making soups. And then Thrive Market also has their own brand of bone broth. Sometimes I want a smaller container, so I got that. Also bought the Thrive Market brand of beans. And I like these because they don't take up very much room in my pantry. No aluminum cans. I love these Jovial crushed and diced tomatoes when I'm making chili or when I'm making spaghetti sauce. So I got a bunch of those because they were on sale. I got some capers. Again, the Thrive Market brand is really good. More beans and one more chicken bone broth. If you're interested in trying Thrive Market for yourself and seeing how much money you can save on healthy staples, I will put my discount code in the caption. It'll save you some money.